ਲੈ ਦੱਸ ਸ਼ਬਰਾਤ ਹੋਏ ਤੇ ਸੂਜੀ ਦਾ ਹਲਵਾ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ, ਹਾਊ ਇਜ਼ ਦੈਟ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ? ਛੋਲੇ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਹਲਵਾ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ. Let's start. So I'm going to show you how I make my Suji Halwa. First, I always make it in butter. I never make it in ghee. It just tastes another level. I have added some cardamom pods into it. Lachi andar mein sutti hai. ਆਰਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਲਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਬਟਰ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਸੂਜੀ ਪਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ. all the ingredients are listed below in the description box, so don't worry not ਜੀ. ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਥੱਲੇ description box 'ਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਮੈਜਰਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ hopefully. Now I have added the extra coarse semolina, ਮੋਟੀ ਸੂਜੀ ਪਾਈ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ, ਬਰੀਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ. I just like the texture of that coarse semolina. I am going to brown it until it just takes a beautiful nutty color and the beautiful aroma starts to just fill up your house. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, anything between that. And in the meantime, I'm going to add this nuts mixture. By the way, I've also prepared the sugar syrup. The method of that is listed below. It's a simple sugar syrup with sugar, water, and a pinch of saffron. You can add food color if you like, or just leave it as it is. So there you go. It's warm sugar syrup straight in. Be very careful. It's going to splatter. Chutna paangi apna tahaffuz kar lena. Social distancing is the key in this dessert. So make sure you distance yourself fairly away from the pan when you're doing this, because the pan is hot, the sugar syrup is hot, it's just boiling everything, and all of a sudden it is just going to start absorbing that gorgeous syrup into the semolina. It will take about 5 minutes till the halwa gets ready. Once it's ready, just garnish it with the choice of nuts, whatever you'd like to sprinkle on. I've got pistachios which I'm using, scatter some on the top, and it's ready to eat. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and you want to see more content from me. Until next time, bye from me. Allah Hafiz, take care, enjoy your Shabebaraat.